Hey guys. Okay, so my one of my mom's friends, well, also one of my friends, got me this like STEM kit thing, which comes with a whole bunch of like different types of like tech things which I like, and they're really cool. Like I just built one, and if y'all have ever used one of these, I love these. Basically, optic fiber light, and whenever you flip the switch, those. Which let me take you real quick to my bathroom because that's where it's the darkest. Then I'm gonna do another one with y'all, but real quick, let me just show y'all. Okay, so whenever you, one second, turn it on. So basically, these are optic fiber tubes. It's basically whenever like you have a light, it goes through the tubes, like the light, and then it bounces off. Then whenever it comes out, it shines bright. Yeah. Sorry, this is really bright, so I'm gonna turn them off. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back. So that one was the optic fiber lights or lamps. This one is windmill, which I'm thinking of doing it. This one is, let me grab it, Ferris wheel. That one is gonna be really cool. I'm thinking about maybe doing that now. The flashing light, starlight, and then a carousel. I think we should do the Ferris wheel because that will be really cool to see. Because they all like glow. They all use a lot of really cool things. I used to do the Mark Rober Crunch Labs until my grandma was doing it for a while, but she just needed to stop it for a bit. But maybe whenever I'm older, I could do hack pack. But one time they did accidentally send me a hack pack, so I did the I can't think of what it's called right now. I did the label maker. I really wanted to do the sand one because those are like really expensive if you try to buy them. It's like a built one online. This one, it comes with a whole bunch of like these little sheet things. This one is the Ferris wheel wrap one. So it's gonna look like, let me find like how it looks whenever it's done. It's gonna look like that. I'm building that right now. Okay, let me just get all the parts out. This is a fun part. I'm probably gonna speed this part up because I don't know how long this will take. Because the other one only had like one sheet and it was a very small one. Definitely the first one I should do. And this is just something that like one of my mom's friends gave me for a Christmas present. Which is so nice. I love her. Shout out to Belinda if she's watching this, which I don't think she is. I bet my mom can probably send it to her. Or I can. Because I have her number as well. Sorry. I go into way too much detail, so hopefully this will be sped up really fast. Yeah, so this one's gonna be cool. Hopefully it spins, maybe lights up. I don't know. I really hope like everything moves around because the Ferris wheels go so cool. Especially right next to the fiber optic light. Maybe even in front of that. That will look cool. I'm thinking of maybe doing one with my friend because tomorrow I have to sleep over with my friend, and she's actually been in a few of these videos, but she should be getting signed into coverstar tomorrow. Maybe not, but I may end up bringing one or two. I don't know, depending. Also, I'm so excited because tomorrow's pajama day because it's so cold here, but it's not snowing, which is annoying. It's like snow. I want cold with snow. If there's no snow, then I'm not doing it. Did I just snap one of them? I just snapped one of the pieces. I probably can fix it. You have to be really gentle with these. If you get one of these, just maybe use like a X-Acto knife. I used to have one whenever I was doing these like the tiny like house kind of build thing. Except for we never finished it, which I wish we did. But I don't know where they went. Wait, I think these may be supposed to break off. Hopefully, because they all have the lines. I think they do. Because they're as thick as. Yeah, I think they do. They do. Okay, good. I was so scared for a moment. Yeah, this is definitely sped up. I'll get back to y'all once I'm done. Oh, also, I just want to say thank you for getting me to 100 followers, guys. I'm so happy. And also, I think I'm at over 120. Thank you, guys. This really means a lot to me. I'm really trying to get to be verified so then I can do, like, 3D printing live streams, which would be really cool. Because I know that everyone, like, this app usually is just, like, the dances and, like, get ready with me, and, like, little vlog things. But I want to make it a bit interesting. So if y'all want to see more of that stuff, let me know. Because I do have some cool things I'd like to, like, show y'all. Also, with that one thing. I don't know if I said this in a previous video, but I never showed the full thing. I only showed like the little soda pop thing, like printing, but really it's like a really cool fidget. But it hasn't gotten as many views because people probably don't know what it is, but it's actually really satisfying. But definitely let me know if there's like certain thing that like you've seen that like you want to be printed. Then like I can like show you like how it looks once it's done and like if it's actually cool. So yeah. Also, most people think that 3D printing's like kind of boring. I mean like weird. It's actually really fun. And I'm able to make things I would never be able to think I could make. I can really make shoes. I've made a pair of slipper or like Yeezys or slides, but actually they didn't turn out great because I didn't make them turn out great. But on my next one they will be a lot better because I'm thinking of putting some full-on tennis shoes. But they would be with like a soft filament. If you don't know, filament is almost like hot glue gun kind of stuff, except for it's plastic that gets like melted and then comes out with a little nozzle. Yeah. And filament comes in these little like spool, like wind-up spool things. So if you see them in a lot of my videos, that's why. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to this. Okay, I think I've done it all. Or at least I think I've separated everything, and now this is what my table looks like. And my mom just cleaned. I feel so bad. Yep. Now let's get started. Okay. Yeah, but these are nice parts. Like with the optic fiber one, usually it's like a little button thing that you press, but that one actually has a phone lever, and this one comes with like a switch. This is like a nice one. I haven't gotten like a nice kit like this in a while. Is there something supposed to go here? No. Yeah, it doesn't. It's good. So, 4. Okay, this is cool. Let's start. This is gonna be a bit tricky. Whew. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Like this. How's this gonna work? Oh, okay. Sorry, this part's taking a bit. This is hard to do. I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, that took forever, but I finally got that part. The wires are being a bit tricky. Now I'm gonna go on to the rest of the stuff. And I will get back to you. Okay, so I kind of forgot to film. So I have gotten this part done, and now I'm on this part, and I'm making little swings. Aren't they cute? Okay, so I think it's time to put this on. Just look at this. They even sway. It's so cute. Okay, so if this goes like this, and this should go like this. What did I drop? Okay, sorry. Just look how cute that is. Wait, these supposed to go down. 1 second, please. Okay, now let's turn it on. Oh, that's cool. I thought it was gonna be a bit slower, but it would be cool with the fiber optic light behind it. Thank you for watching. Bye.